Good morning, guys. Today we've got here TCL 505 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. Then mark settings icon, select languages and click on add keyboard. Here you can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred language, or in search area you can just enter the language that you want to use. Let me choose Arabic so we can see the difference in keypad clearly. And so let me choose the first one, tap on done. And let's stay with both languages for now. As you can see now, you've got the previous language, and if you'll tap here on word icon, it will be switched to Arabic. So you've got both English and Arabic. If you want to have one language only, go to settings again and remove the unwanted one. Just mark edit, select the language and tap on bin icon. Now this word icon is no longer here and you can write in this one language only. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.